What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, and we're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. So today, I'm working on finishing up this dash. So there's some ventilation ducting we need to get in here. Didn't talk about this, but I know some of you guys didn't like the one black gauge that was right here for my oil pressure. Well, I've determined that I want fuel pressure and oil pressure, which isn't representative right here. So I got another fuel pressure gauge, which is going to go over here, and I got oil, and that oil pressure gauge is going to go up here. And I'm thinking the AC stuff is going to be right here in the middle. But yeah, there's a couple things I need to shoot in here. Like I also need to put in the turn signal indicators, the high beam indicator, the actual headlight switch somewhere around here, the ignition switch somewhere around here. So yeah, we're just gonna get cracking, get all this stuff pretty much finished up, with the exception of like sanding and painting. But yeah, so stay tuned and we're gonna get this going. Oh, I didn't tell you what this is. This is a clock now, so fancy. Who says my car can't be fancy? All right, stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. So what you saw was me taking the time to put in my turn signal lights. So it's kind of hard to see, but there's one there, there, and there. So these two are my turn signals. This is the high beam light. So next, what I'm going to work on is actually probably these vents and these gauges, getting them placed out where they need to be, and get the holes cut and pop them in, see what it looks like. All right, gonna keep on working. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So what you guys saw me do now is I drilled the holes for the fuel pressure and the oil pressure gauge. I kind of like this. The only thing I'm noticing is right here, you see it's lifted up, and that's on both sides. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark with a marker around here, pretty much on this lip and this lip, where I need to grind it down a little bit so these will sit flush, and it'll still kind of work with the lines. It's just this will be sitting flush. So yeah, but overall I am actually very, very pleased. So this dashboard's coming together. So once I get these in, then it's time to get the what's next? I think the AC plate's gonna fit right in there. So yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along nicely. Alrighty. So stay tuned. We continue working and getting this thing cracked out. So back to work. What's going on, guys? So I finally got this nice and fitting in there, nice and smooth. As you can see, it's pretty much sitting flush for both of these. Nice sitting flush. So much better. I'm very satisfied with that. Looks like it kind of was meant to be like that. I'm very pleased with this. So right now, I'm gonna cut this video. There's a few more things I need to do and I need to look up before I continue on, and I need to probably figure out how I'm gonna modify some things. So we're gonna leave it right now. I really do appreciate you guys watching these videos. This is kind of one of the shorter ones, probably to make up for the 30 minutes last video. This is actually kind of an in-between video. Give you a little sneak peek. The people that have been working on it, that have built one of these, know we're working on the doors. I just had to wait for paint to dry. So I kind of was like, well, I can't not do anything. So I decided I was going to work on this, but I really do appreciate you guys watching. If you like this type of video, hit the like button. I need you to comment down below. Tell me what you think. If you've seen me mess up anything, or things I could have done better, or things I could explain better, please let me know. Feel free to hit me up. And hit that like button if you like these videos. And subscribe, please. Please subscribe. All right. Thank you. Have a good one.